In this rapidly evolving information age, Wikipedia has become one of the world's leading sources of knowledge, and with the help of artificial intelligence technology, we can harness this platform as a powerful tool to create compelling and high-quality content. In this video article, we will explore how to utilize Wikipedia and AI to produce informative, creative, and relevant content. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Wikipedia website and search for the desired article. After obtaining the article, copy the article's link and then go to the Bard AI website. Paste the article's URL into Bard AI, including the article link. Subsequently, the generated article will serve as a script for creating content. The second step is to access the Heygen website, then log in and select the desired avatar. Next, input the article script into the avatar script. After creating the script in the avatar, select Submit and wait for the generation process to complete. The final step is to go to the Canva website to create video footage for the content and integrate the avatar script into the video footage. After creating the script with Wikipedia, generating an avatar with Heygen, and combined with video footage in Canva, the content has been successfully created.
Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. It is best known for its role in powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but blockchain has the potential to revolutionize many industries beyond finance. A blockchain is a database that is shared across a network of computers. Each computer in the network has a copy of the database, and all changes to the database must be verified by a majority of the computers in the network. This makes blockchain very secure and resistant to fraud. Each blockchain is made up of a series of blocks, which are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a timestamp, a list of transactions, and a hash pointer to the previous block. This creates a chain of blocks, which is where the name blockchain comes from. When a new transaction is added to the blockchain, it is first verified by the network of computers. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to a new block. The new block is then added to the blockchain, and all of the computers in the network update their copies of the database. Blockchain offers a number of benefits over traditional database technologies, including security. Blockchain is very secure because it uses cryptography to verify and secure all transactions. Transparency. All transactions on a blockchain are public and transparent. This means that anyone can view the history of transactions on a blockchain. Tamper-proof. Once a transaction is added to a blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. This makes blockchain ideal for storing important data and records.
As we conclude, the powerful combination of Wikipedia and AI technology opens up endless creative opportunities in content creation. With these tools at your disposal, the possibilities are boundless. So, go forth, explore, and create engaging and informative content that captivates your audience. Thank you for joining iBoss Zone channel.